Understanding, I feel bad about. A guide to expressing regret in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very common but crucial phrase in the English language, I feel bad about. This expression is a key part of conveying feelings of regret, guilt, or sorrow about a situation or action. Understanding how to use it correctly will not only enhance your English communication skills but also help you express your emotions more accurately. So, let's get started. I feel bad about is an expression used to express discomfort, regret, or guilt regarding a specific situation, action, or outcome. It's a way to acknowledge that something has affected you negatively or hasn't gone as planned, and you wish it were different. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to more formal discussions. To understand how to use this phrase effectively, let's look at some examples. 1. Apologizing. I feel bad about missing your birthday party. This shows regret for not attending an event. 2. Expressing guilt. I feel bad about lying to you. This indicates remorse for not being honest. 3. Showing empathy. I feel bad about what happened to your family. This demonstrates sympathy for someone else's misfortune. Each example highlights a different context where the phrase can be appropriately applied, showcasing its versatility in expressing nuanced emotions. It's important to know when this expression is appropriate to use. Here are some guidelines. When you have personal regret, use it when you genuinely feel sorry about something you did or didn't do. When expressing empathy, it's suitable when you want to show understanding or sympathy towards someone else's situation. When apologizing, it can be a gentle way to start an apology, showing that you recognize your fault or the impact of your actions. Remember, using this phrase should always come from a place of sincerity to maintain the authenticity of your emotions. I feel bad about is a powerful expression for conveying regret, guilt, or empathy in English. Whether you're apologizing, expressing guilt, or showing empathy, understanding how to use this phrase correctly can help you communicate more effectively and authentically. We hope this video has been helpful in explaining how to use I feel bad about in various contexts. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you continue your English learning journey.